to 4th of July part 3 fireworks. More fireworks.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting close to this dangerous and illegal.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting closer.
You're gonna die. Actually, I don't need one. Wait, how come I'm not cold? Mommy, how come I'm not cold?
Because you have I did. Wait,
Look at this.
Wait.
Come on, there's a flame on.
burn your hair.
Oh, I love it. I feel my
I'm
fingers.
scared.
I feel my fingers. Another one. Another one. Don't care about my fingers.
Okay. More fireworks.
Is that a fountain?
This barely does anything. This barely does anything.
Ooh, it's a double fountain. It's a vanilla stick, Lily. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Come on, follow me.
Ooh. Fine.
Right now, I'm gonna go choose a firework and this guy's not.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have your lights on? Oh yeah, you do
I
have
got
your
my
lights.
light on.
Yeah.
Look it. I don't have a YouTube channel, but soon I will.
Yeah. So then you can upload it. You can upload this.
Ow.
Okay.
My weirdo cousin right here is pretending to be a witch.
Yeah. Sorry, we're trying to get one of fireworks.
Okay, so we're going to the table that has fireworks.
Yep.
No,
that one's sucky.
No, that was too big. That was too small. Right now, I'm gonna light.
Yeah. Let's do that.
I'm gonna light these.
Perfect, dude. This is perfect.
Make sure to describe this video and give it a big fat thumbs up.
Yeah, big fat.
That's a little overexaggerated.
Yeah, I guess you're right. A big thumbs up, yeah. Oh yeah, and don't forget, my favorite YouTube channel is Daddy I'm always so joined.
Oh yeah.
Do I?
Okay, I brought some TNT. And the dog.
Like a TNT. Look at you guys can stop. You guys can stop talking. Nice.
Nice. There's one over there.
Hey, one over there.
Okay. They're gonna see feature on something.
Okay, my little cousin is gonna put on something.
Come on, lighter. Don't fail me.
I can't run those sliders. It's like the
I want to light it.
Oh, it's broken. David, look what you did.
I did it. Okay.
Why is it not safe now?
Keep her. Keep her up.
David! Get on the ground.
David.
Go back.
I'm not going back. I'm staying right here. Oh, there's no fire in it.
It didn't work. Hey, stop recording.
Yeah.
Stop recording it.
Stop.
Guys, stop. On the thing. Hey, Bunny.
It's a dead cucuy.
No.
It's an alien.
Whee.
It's un cucuy. It's cucuy.
No, she already knows me.
It's an alien. Okay.
Bunny can be a pop star.
Yay! You might not see me play other games I have these because I might erase them because my dad's phone memory is really full right now.
Too bad.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, no, my dad's percent is in 47. You see that? And it's 9:33.
Yeah.
We're making this video. Well, my cousin here is making the video.
Oh yeah, my cousin's right here.
Yeah, I'm right here. Hello.
And I'm me.